Man, dude, can't nobody get me the right part. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be working on the locks on the doors on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. Ooh, this bad boy is dirty and dusty. But yeah, we're gonna be working on the door locks today. We gotta try to get that done. That way I can start installing stuff in the vehicle. This is the 1972 Buick LeSabre. If you're new to my channel, here's the C7 75 Caprice, the Escalade, the Denali, the Titan, the El Camino, brother's hair. But nah, on a serious note, guys, we're gonna be doing the door locks on my LS swap Buick LeSabre, guys. Yes, sir. A lot of y'all already done seen that. So stop paying people to do stuff you can do by yourself at home. So we got our tools out here. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We post every week. And we'll get right into this video right after this intro.
Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly, like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, guys, now that we got that out the way, we got the AC Delco. We did the trunk yesterday. That boy's in there. And then I told them chrome and they sent me black, but it's all good. I can always change them later. There's your part number. I ain't gonna read it out. Y'all can take a screenshot of it. This fits like most of the 70 models, excuse me. So it comes with 2 keys and 2 locks, this kit. So there's your, this holds it in place, 2 locks, and 2 keys in there. So we got that. We'll grab our tool and see if we can get in this thing. I just had that one yesterday. Where is it at? That'll work. And most of these car panels are like the same on the old models. There we go. That one's already out. It's been out since I bought it. We're gonna look up in here. Heck, we might be able to get to it without taking everything apart. Oh, I gotta take that off. I don't want to put no scratches on that. Let's see here. Maybe not. Oh, shoot. Be nice if we could get to it without taking off the bottom panel. Nah, that's something else holding that. That's just the cover. Huh. It shouldn't be. Alright, guys. Let me go get a light so we can see what we're doing. Okay, we found 2 hidden screws under here. Look like it used to be way more than that, but it's 2 in there. Take that out. Oh, they would freaking. See, that's why you gotta have this. They put a flathead in there. And then also, you gotta take this off because it's gonna be in the way. If you push it back, there's a clip behind here. It's gonna be hard to get to it. Yep, can't see it. But there's a little clip behind there that holds this on there. Let's see if it's on there. Yeah, it's on there. Let's see if we can get in there now. We got enough room. And then I bring my little, these pop off the clamps. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see this, but I'll show y'all the clamps when we get them off.
What they talking about? I don't know.
I think this one's holding it too. We popped some of the clamps out on the bottom. I think that thing's holding it. That's too big. Might work. Full of dirt. Something's still holding it in the middle. Come here. Come here. She don't want to come here. Come here. No, I don't think that did anything. There's something still holding it right there. I might have to take this speaker panel deal off that they built and see what's going on in there. She's still pretty tight. We're gonna go ahead and remove the speaker so we can see what's going on back there. It's obviously something still holding. Got it? There it is. So, let's think about something real quick, guys. Now, if this wasn't cut out, how would you get that off? Because I want y'all to know that, because y'all ain't gonna have a hole right there like mine. So it's kind of weird, I guess. That's it, but is that holding it? Yep, I think that's holding it, guys. So you probably have to maybe come up under here. We'll figure it out when we get it off, so I can tell y'all, because y'all ain't gonna be like this. I have a whole freaking hole right there.
Still holding it?
It's still not moving. Like, there's still something. Something holding this thing right in here in the middle somewhere. Uh-oh. Make sure you're showing them. No, sir. She don't want to go. Let me see. I can get my hand over there. We'll just go through the top. Ah, yeah. So, y'all probably don't have to take off the bottom. I really wanted to show y'all how to get both panels off, but I'm thinking I can go ahead and get to it through here, because I kind of touched it a little bit, so we'll probably be able to get on it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that clamp off. Let's see if we can get this thing out of there. She moved, but she not coming yet. There it goes. Alright, I got it off. Now, did it fall out? I got the clamp off, guys. Yeah, make sure y'all remember which way that go. Let's get a, come over here and show them. All right. Now that's different though. So we'll probably have to add that on the new one. I'm not sure, guys. Let's look at it. So it's like that. So to that side. Yeah. So I guess you just add that piece on there. So we're gonna need something to pop this off. A small screwdriver. Really like a little needle punch. Let me get the right tool. I'm gonna show y'all.
What you doing? Ha ha ha.
Okay, I got this little pick right here. This slides off, but you see this hole in this little thing? That's like locking it on there. So you just push that right there with your little pick up, and it should come straight off. Look how easy that was. And a lot of times, man, the right tools, oh my goodness, it'll save you a lot of trouble. So that needs to be facing down. And make sure you put this on right, because then it won't unlock the door. Like that. Hopefully that's the same. Uh-oh. Don't tell me they sold me the wrong one. It's shorter. Golly, they sold me the wrong one. It's shorter, guys. I'm not gonna be able to clamp on it unless I clamp behind it, but that's probably gonna fall off. Man, there's always something. I might be able to, let me look at it, cause I could probably go like that, and then, dang it, swear, it's always something. That ain't gonna work. Well, that's the wrong freaking part number. It's longer. That's crazy. Yep. Y'all see it? I should have checked. Well, ain't no way I could have checked it without taking it out. So, well, you live and you learn. Sometimes you could end up with the wrong parts. And it said Wilfit 1972 Buick LeSabre. So, don't get that for yours. If you got a Buick, it ain't gonna work. It's probably gonna be a Chevy Impala, Caprice, or something. I don't know why they would say it'll work. Alright guys, well, we'll get it figured out, we'll get it squared away. We're gonna run over to O'Reilly's. They said they can have the right lock by tomorrow morning, so we'll just pick those up and then we'll finish this video up. Well guys, I went and bought this lock locally, thinking they're gonna get me the right one, and this is the original. Y'all see how the back is? Man, dude, can't nobody get me the right part. It's crazy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I got the old lock kind of freed up a little bit, but look at the back of this one. It's nothing like the original. And I told them when I picked it up, I was like, man, look at, it's got a rod with it. I said, usually when it's got a rod, it's for a trunk. They're like, no, that's the right one. Sure enough, it wasn't. I knew when I left it wasn't, because it had that rod in the box. So I'm gonna go take this back, get my money back. I can't get the money back off the ones offline. That's the wrong part number 2. So I don't know how this video gonna play out. I'm gonna go take this back now to O'Reilly's, but I got this one freed up. I don't know, I might go ahead and put her back in there for now, just so I can lock the doors and start installing all my stuff. I can't put nothing in there until I get that thing locked, man. So trunk is locked now. Yeah, we just need doors to be able to lock. As long as I got one door that I can open, unlock, and lock, we're good to go. So I'll let y'all know what happens. They said they can have the right ones here by tomorrow, so I'm gonna give them one more chance, and yeah, we'll try it again. So we'll see. I'd rather just have the new locks in there and be done with it, instead of putting the old one back in there and have to take it out later anyway. So it's all good. So we'll see y'all in a little bit.
5 hours later.
Guys, I'm trying to get my yard to grow, but all right, finally somebody sold me the right the right parts, man. I'm gonna show y'all what we got over here. So let's check this out. My son is at camp, so I ain't got nobody to record, and I didn't get to turn y'all on up there because I didn't have my camera. Call up Becca. But you can look at the back end on this one. Same thing we've been looking at. Let's get the original. And finally, that looks like it right there, guys. So we should be good. We're gonna go ahead and throw in a new lock on this side, and finally we can lock the 72. Make sure the key facing the right way. Yep, we're good. I think this is facing, dang it. That was facing down like that. Y'all remember how this clip go? Cause I don't, it's been a couple days. Yeah, it's like that. Hope y'all can see, guys. Yeah, it was like that, you can tell. There we go. So we're good. See if we can get that bad boy in there. Oh, and I gotta get the original. No, I think that new slide will fit on there. And we went through there, so. All my stuff blowing away. Hold on, let me see something. It's got a line up. I don't know if y'all can see that in there. Right? Golly, you could almost see it. But there's a little lever in there. Let's see. Oh, Yeah, you can see it a little bit right there. It's gotta go inside of there. This rod gotta go inside of there, and then it'll line up. I think it's on there. And then I just gotta put that little piece on the back. I ain't gonna be able to hold the camera and do that, guys. But we'll go ahead and slap it on there. Dang, I forgot the oil ring. I'll throw the oil ring on there, the little clamp on the back, and we'll test it out. I stuck my hand through there, and I made sure it was, that rod is through that little bracket. That's what unlocks and unlocks the door. My bad, right here. So that's what makes that go up and down, and then unlatches it. So now you got to put your little fork on. You got to make sure this part is facing out, so when you get ready to if you have to pull it off or whatever, you can pull it like that. I'm gonna try to do this holding the camera. If not, guys, I'll just put it on real quick. But y'all ain't gonna be able to see it anyways, because remember earlier in the video I had to excuse me, I had to stick my hand all the way through here. So we're just gonna try to latch it and call this bad boy good. We'll do the other side off camera and get that going, and we'll be able to lock this thing. Just trying to keep it in place. See, I need my other hand so I can hold on to the back of the lock and push it in, because it's got a clamp. Let me show y'all real quick. So what it's doing, it's got a clamp around. See these latches? It clamps around this, so it's snug against the door like that. See those two deals? My bad. See how it slides like that? That's how it's gonna be. So let me turn it off. I gotta hold it in. See how the lock is moving? It's pushing out. Let me get it lined up, guys. I'm having trouble getting that little clamp on there, so I got my trusty flathead screwdriver that I don't know if y'all can see it. I think the gasket is holding it up, so that's taking up a little bit of space, plus that clamp is brand new. So I'm gonna use my screwdriver, try to push it on there. Man, I tell you what, do not lose your old clamp, because that new clamp was super tight. But right now, so we're gonna get ready to see. I'll move this out the way. Let's see if she'll shut and open. Hopefully shut, open, and lock, and all that good stuff. And then I gotta put all this back together. Well, not really, because I got some more videos coming for y'all on some other stuff. I might have to. Okay, there we go. Lock. Okay, went down. Pull it out. She is locked, guys. Heck yeah. Now we can lock this bad boy up. Uh-oh. Y'all see that pop? Did y'all? Hold on. Let me do it again for y'all. Uh-oh. Well, we gotta make sure it's gonna open. Okay. She open. Well, I gotta put my screws and stuff back in here. I'll do that off camera, guys. Y'all already seen me take that apart. I'll just put this stuff back together for now. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.